How to create poll in Messenger. So let's get started. So if you want to create a poll in your Messenger, so to do that, what you have to do is just simply open up your Messenger application. And after opening up your Messenger application, now you should know that you can only create a poll in Messenger in a group. So if you are not in a group, then you can't. So just simply open up your group. And after opening up your group, now just tap on the plus icon which is on the bottom left corner. And after tapping on that, you will find polls option. Just simply tap on it, and now from here you can create your poll. Now what you can do is simply ask a question, and after asking a question, now you can just simply add your options. So after adding all your options, now you can just simply go ahead and create poll. And after doing that, now your poll will be successfully created. Now you can just simply go ahead and then select the answer and then submit it. And after submitting that, now you can see guys, the poll is working and you have successfully created a poll in Messenger. So that's it guys, this is how to create poll in Messenger. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.